Hello again. Been out working in the yard today, planting some flowers and stuff. And I've been thinking about something that should be natural to us, but anymore in our society is not. You know, Velcro was a great invention. Made things really handy. My wife she had a 15th century wedding dress pattern that she made, and she put Velcro in it because it's useful. Problem with Velcro, as we all know, is it wears out and it just don't hook no more. The more often you attach it and pull it apart, it doesn't work anymore. It's the same thing. Our souls are like Velcro. Now, when a young girl has a good relationship with her father, one man, her whole life, not 2 or 3 stepdads and any number of boyfriends, but one man. She establishes a relationship with him where 2 things are provided to her: security and identity. She gets used to this from her, learns the dynamic of interacting with masculinity to get that security and identity. And then she gets married. The father walks her down the aisle, which is representative of transferring that masculine role in her life from the father to her husband, who will now provide the security and identity. Now, she is designed, all our souls are designed a certain way to bond with that husband. You see, it's actually the bond with her father is transferred to her husband, and from him she gets her security and identity. Now, if she's in the habit of bonding with a lot of men and ripping that Velcro away, you know what happens to Velcro? It won't stick anymore. So, if you've bedded your 100th man, congratulations. Your 100th notch on your bedpost. I got a feeling that Velcro won't stick to any man. So you cannot function in the way you were designed to function with the man in your life. And you will not get that security and identity that you need from him. Good luck.